Hello everyone, kansubire nti mwenna muli bulungi. Mr. Opinion. Now that we have learned how to install and search for other different channels on Telegram, what we are going to do today is very simple. Kati engeri gye tumaze okuyiga engeri gyo installinga mu Telegram ku simu yo n'okusearchinga for channels endala ku Telegram. Kati kye tugenda okuyiga kuddamu oyiga olwaleero kyangu nnyo. Kye tugenda actually okuyiga tugenda yiga engeri gy'osobola okukola ki? Tugenda yiga engeri gy'osobola okusearchingamu. For example, oba oyagala movie, ng'oyagala film, video or searching otya. What we are going to learn about how you can search for a video on Telegram. How do you search for a video? What you do is actually you come to the channel like the way I've done. You come to your Telegram app that you see right here. You open it. It will open like this. Then you can choose a channel from the channels you have joined or you are about to join. You just choose a channel like Opinion TV, right? Opinion TV translated. You choose a channel, it will appear like this. Ejja kuba efaanana bw'eti channel. So ky'okola kyangu nnyo. Just in your top right corner there are 3 dots like you can see. Just click on those dots. Mu top right corner mu kasondako omukono gwa right waggulu waliyo obudoti busatu ndowooza obulaba. Kati obwo obudoti bw'okwatamu oba bw'oclickingamu ujja kuleetera search, set auto delete timer, mute notifications. What you chokola kyangu nnyo, just nyiga mu search. When you click in those 3 dots, it's going to bring you search, set auto delete timer and mute notifications. What you're going to do is just simple. Just tap in the search, type a movie, for example, Chop Shop. Yeah, Chop Shop. Okay, Chop Shop. Let's see if we have Chop Shop. You see, if the movie is not there, it will bring you no results, like you can see here in our bottom left corner. Movie weba teriiko ejja kuba ekulaga wano wansi ku mukono gwo gwa left ekulaga no results mu blue. Kati katugezeeko okusearchinga movie endala tulabe. Searchinge Boys Over Flowers. Boys Over Flowers. Olina okukakasa nti erinnya lya movie tuufu. Okay, Boys Over Flowers ndowooza mugiraba. Okitegeera, mugiraba. Tugenda mu video eddako tugenda bayigiriza ozidownloading otya. Okitegeera odownloading otya zino movies. So bw'onaawo omaze olaba nga okyalina ekibuuzo ky'oyagala okubuuza. If you still have any questions that you want to ask, osobola you can leave your comment. Also commentinga wansi awo n'ogamba nze Mr. Opinion kino kyenjagala. Kiba nga tukyogerako nakyo ne tubalaga engeri gye kikolamu. So ndowooza mugiraba Boys Over Flowers. How many? Olaba wano wansi engeri gy'ekulaga ndowooza. Ekulaga ku mukono gwo on your left hand below it shows you 1/25. 1/25. Kyo kitegeeza ki nti 1/25 kitegeeza nti erina 25 episodes. Okitegeera eyo movie erina 25 episodes. You understand what I'm saying? So kyekyo ekiriwo. Era movie webanga erisitagana nti nga bagiteekamu parts endala ziri eri endala ziri eri kandabe eyinza obeera nga ki? Someone is actually calling. So I think that's it for today. Then you can simply download your movie and start watching it. Otherwise, thank you very much. I love you guys. peace.